have great news. The Toronto Public Library just chose Honk Honk, Beep Beep, Putter Putt as one of their best firsts. Now, what's a best first book? A best first book is a book that they chose that is absolutely one of the best books that you can use to ready your child for reading. So it's for very young children to get their reading readiness going. And they chose Honk Honk, Beep Beep, Putter Putt in 2024. It's so nice to see a multicultural book that celebrates the ingenuity of third world country drivers and also traffic safety for very small children. Okay, so this is some exciting news, and just goes to show that you should really use this book to read to your small child. I would say from about a year and a half all the way to, 6, 7 years old, especially with the author note in the back, because that goes into details that would really appeal to young children in discovering the world around them. Okay? So, big things going. Also, on another note, I'm going to be doing all kinds of new stuff for my YouTube channel. So keep posted. You're going to see a lot of new programs, exciting new programs, and teacher resources that I'll be putting up very soon. So keep posted. Bye-bye.